anybody relate to that? Anybody ever been in a situation like that where, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to get all pumped up, I'm going to negotiate a good deal for myself, and then you get into the room and you kind of like cave, you kind of get lost in the weeds, right? It happens. It's happened to all of us. Please take a seat. Please come on in. Generally in this country, the United States, Canada, we generally suck at negotiating. I mean, of course, there's some really good negotiators, but generally as a society, we're not the most effective negotiators. What do you think that is? What are some reasons why we're not great negotiators? Yeah. We don't listen to other people. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. We have fixed pricing here, right? I lived in Cairo for about 6 months. My first night in Cairo, I went out to do some grocery shopping. It took me 3 hours and 27 minutes to buy a bag of potatoes, because I had to bargain over everything. Everything was a negotiation. Here we go to Albertsons, we see a bag of almonds for $3.99. The only negotiation we have is, am I willing to spend $3.99 or not, right? We don't say I'm going to offer Albertsons $1.27. So we have it kind of easy. In other countries and cultures, you come out of the womb and your parents are teaching you how to negotiate, right? It's a way of life. Here, not so much. What are some other reasons why we're not the most, yeah?
Other countries have higher emotional intelligence.
Okay, well, that's a whole other seminar, but I will say this. Here in the United States, we're too nice oftentimes, right? We're too nice. We take things very personally. We don't want to step on anybody's toes, right? We're scared of hurting people's feelings. When we take this process of negotiation very personally, it can be a hindrance. Here's one of the biggest reasons why we're not the best negotiators. Who here has ever had any formal negotiation training? 1.5 persons has had, and I've taught seminars to the biggest companies, to the top executives in the world, and this is the first question I always ask. Who here has ever had any formal negotiation training? And what do you think, and how many people raise their hand? 1 or 2 out of an audience of maybe 30, 40, 50. So, and we negotiate every day, folks. It's something we do every single day, not just in our business life, but we negotiate with our spouses, with our friends, with our family, with our kids. We're always negotiating, yet none of us have been trained on how to negotiate.